Sweet. Hi, I'm Gav, and I'm from Sweet Design. I'd like to start off apologising for the last two videos that we've put out there. The audio has actually been really shocking, and I do apologise for that. Something's gone wrong with us editing Sweet when we've uploaded it to YouTube. So hopefully this week, fingers crossed, there's no gremlins in there. So this week we're making followers on Instagram, made from recycled wood, which we've got from pallet. So we've cut some pallet woods up to like 300mm, sanded it down, any holes like where it's been nailed to blocks, we've removed them, used a bit of natural wood filler and given it a good sand. And here we are, so we're just sanding it down, giving it a good light sand all the way right round, just take any rough bits off. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoy this video. So we've sanded it all down, filled the holes, and this is a stencil which we've made from a vinyl cutter, a bit of any old vinyl. Doesn't really matter what vinyl it is, as long as you can see it, sort of thing. So what we do is just line it up, try and get it all level, then we'll stick it down, and then we'll stick the vinyl on, and then we can get on with painting it. Sweet, so this is stuck, so we're just peeling the backing off the vinyl, so it'll leave the vinyl onto the wood as we go. Just got to be a bit careful for any uplift, like a bit there, so we just have to re-stick it bit down, make sure it's all stuck down, and then as plaque will be ready to go. This point we're just covering all the wood from the side, so just in case we have any spillage with paint or anything like that, really, just so we don't have to go around sanding all front down and for any paint what's spilt out or gone onto edges, so it just saves a bit of time, really. Sweet, so we're just making sure it's stuck, everything's down, no gaps, and this we're going to start using Mod Podge. It's like I think you can make it yourself with glue and water, and what it is, it's just we brush it in and it seals the edges, so when we paint it you won't get any bleed behind the stencil. So it's really clever stuff, really. You just give it a coat with that, leave it to dry, and once we put the paint on top it should not bleed onto the wood or out like that. So you'll see that a bit later on, so just enjoy watching me paint Mod Podge on.
prophet was really messing her up with all the religion. After she lost her mom, Mary needed a father, but Jacob just drew into his Bible. I was the only person who really listened to how Mary was feeling.
You took advantage of her trust.
I made a mistake. One day I made a place that I shouldn't have. Sorry.
Mary, can we have a word with you? I'm not supposed to talk to you. You can walk away if you want to, or maybe you just want to stop and listen. The day Charles Nash was murdered, you were diagnosed with chlamydia.
We're going to agree to testify at your father's trial if we agree not to prosecute him for having sex with you.
We can prove that you lied under oath, Mary. You could go to juvenile detention. Good. I'll need somewhere to live after you lock my data. This isn't a joke.
So we just got to end of the Mod Podge. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me paint. But yeah, so we just give that a coat, then let it to go dry. You only need one coat, don't need any more than one. Just leave it to dry. This it's dry. It dries like a clear, but you can see on the stencil it dries clear. So it's just like painting, you know, like with PVA glue or all. It just dries clear. So it just seals. It just seals that edging on the stencil. So we just give it a couple of coats of paint, really. Just a couple. That's all it needs, really.
Don't kill him.
The school was less than 200 yards away that I went to elementary school. Down the street going the other way, we had a huge
No,
park.
don't. One less teammate is worse.
Parents never worried about us.
And that's us done. So we let it dry, give it another coat, then we'll get on with the peeling of it. So once it's all fully dried, it's dried like a mat, and we'll just take the stencil off. Really, it's all it is. It just be careful. I mean, the Mod Podge has been put on so it won't bleed, but the tape can still, you know, hold on to the grain. So just got to be careful that it don't pull the grain out or anything like that. So all it is just take your time and use a scalpel and that for getting your bits off and stuff. So enjoy. This is what I mean. Just using a scalpel, pair of tweezers, just to get the centres out and the bits, you know, when it's a bit more smaller, thinner text and stuff like that. So just use these and try and take it out without getting the grain, really. So this is the last part of us removing the stencil. Then we'll get on to putting a clear lacquer on. So it just protects the paint and also just protects the wood, so it can be used outside as well. So it can be freestanding. You can put it on a shelf. You can stand it in your garden, in your shop front window, anything like that. It's a nice, sweet bit of advertising for your company, for your personal blogging. So please like, please subscribe, please smash that subscribe. It all helps. I apologise for the video that I have done, but we're working on a shoestring. So please like, please comment, please share, and comment in below for us.